Hi, I'm Chef Adam Ward, and today I'm going to show you how to make some easy tacos. So here I have some flank steak that I've sliced into some easy to grill strips. I have some garden salsa, some chopped white onion, some taco seasoning that I've mixed together, salt, a little Oaxaca cheese, which is similar to a feta, some lime crema, which is just sour cream with some lime juice and zest, a little bit of salt, and some cilantro. And over here we have corn tortillas. So that's how we're going to make our tacos today. Okay, so I'm going to take my flank steak. I'm going to add a little bit of salt. Not too much because there's some salt in my seasoning mix as well. Seasoning. Go nice and heavy since we're going to throw it on the grill. We're probably going to lose some of this in the cook. Pat, flip them over. Do the same thing. Salt. Seasoning. That in. Now that our beef is seasoned, we're going to place this onto the Members Mark 5-burner gas grill. Okay, we have our tortillas nice and warmed up. So we'll double layer those. Take our steak, set that up now. If you can't find Oaxaca cheese, just use feta. Very similar, just a little less salty. Lime crema. And cilantro. People say don't eat the stems. Eat the stems. Stems are delicious. Nice and zesty. Limes on the side. And there you have tacos. Let's have a little taste. Delicious. Flank steak, it's not chewy. It's a cut nobody really utilizes. It's delicious. Steak's perfectly tender. It's nice and creamy. It's zesty. A little pop of cilantro. I love cilantro. I would definitely eat that again. If you like this recipe, leave a comment below. Let me know what you'd like to see next. And hit like and subscribe for more content.